Hi everyone, my name is MIDWIFE Sally. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are asking, is it okay for a pregnant woman to crave? Yes, it is absolutely okay for a pregnant woman to crave. There are a lot of things going on in your body emotionally. Your hormones are changing, a new baby is being born, your taste buds are changing, the way a lot of things are changing, okay? And so it makes you crave for particular things. Sometimes the craving can be due to the fact that you want this particular food, psychological. Sometimes it could also be related to a specific nutritional need. Yes, and so in all this craving, sometimes you're not just craving, you're craving for ice or milk or meat. It could be related to a particular nutrient. But then it is okay to crave. Once what you are craving is nutritious, no problem at all. But if you find yourself craving things that has no nutritional benefit to your body, like Pica, soap, anything that can cause harm to yourself or to your baby, then you really need help. Go and see your nutritionist or your doctor. But if your craving is nutritious, like fruits, vegetables, any food that makes or helps the baby to stay healthy, then it is particularly okay. It is okay. So no problem. You can crave, but just make sure that whatever you're craving for is nutritious. My name is MIDWIFE Sally. Keep following. Let's learn more.